Allie, ever since you came into my life 8 years ago, you've completely changed my life. You're the greatest blessing I've ever received, and I thank God every day for bringing an angel into my life all those years ago.
We talk often about how we grew up together and truly grew together, but you shaped me in many more ways than one. You made me look at the world differently.
You love me so perfectly and understand me in a way no one ever has. I feel completely cared for by you, and I adore how you make me feel so loved every second of every day.
You entered my life when we were both 18 and we were just kids. We were still figuring out who we were as people, and yet we're blessed to have found each other. You make me feel protected, safe, and loved. You treat me with respect and encourage me to pursue my dreams. I laid in bed as a little girl and thought of who the man my husband would be, and I fell short of the reality that was you.
I vow to always be your protector, confidant, and best friend. I promise to do everything I can to make sure every need is met, every want is reached, and every dream is realized. I give you all that I have and all that I am from this day until my last day.
I vow to always be your advocate and your biggest supporter. I will listen to your every hope and dream and strive to help make them a reality. I vow to love you for my whole life and after.
I now declare them husband and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Josiah, would you please kiss your bride?
Josiah has changed us for the better. He and Allie have grown in their amazing love, unconditional support of each other's dream, and formed a bond we believe is unbreakable. He has truly made our family complete. To Alexandra Patricia Krinos, Esquire, and Dr. Josiah Sowell.
Y'all are about to embark on this coveted marriage that is incredible. It's just so clear that y'all are the perfect people for each other. And I can't wait to see how y'all build out this foundation. 17 kids that y'all are gonna bring to this world. So, here's to Josiah and Allie. Azalee both.
Cannot wait to see you flourish. Complement one another so beautifully. Everyone, if you could please join me in a toast to the amazing couple. Cheers to the Sowells.